Your freezer can save money and time, but only if you store food correctly. These simple hacks make a difference. Freezing slows microbial growth and helps preserve food, while proper packaging reduces air exposure, freezer burn, and unnecessary waste. Chop fresh herbs and freeze them in ice cube trays with water or oil for convenient portions in cooked dishes. Spread berries in one layer before freezing, then transfer them into bags. This helps prevent large frozen clumps. Slice bread before freezing so you can remove individual pieces without repeatedly thawing and refreezing the entire loaf. Grated cheese can be frozen for many cooked dishes, making it easy to measure only what your recipe needs. Freeze broth in ice cube trays for measured cooking portions, while frozen banana slices work conveniently in smoothies and baked recipes. Divide cooked meals into shallow portions before freezing. Smaller containers cool and thaw more conveniently when you need individual servings. Label every package with its contents and date, then keep older items visible so you remember to use them first. Use these freezing tricks to reduce waste and simplify meals. Which hack will you try first? Like, subscribe, comment, and share.